Hey y'all, it's Brittany. I wanted to come on here very quickly because I was about to do my next set of nails and I thought, why not just go ahead and do them on camera? So that's what I'm gonna do. Today we're gonna be using, I mentioned press on nails are some of my favorite nails. They are glueless. You literally just press them on. And this set that I've had, it's a Valentine's Day set. They've been on for 2 weeks. As you can see, I've done everything. Like I don't play nice with my nails. Like I live even with press-ons on. Like I just finished waxing. I don't mean to flip y'all off, but I just finished waxing myself and there's wax on here. So like I actually live with my nails on, and I just wanted to show the durability that these have lasted for 2 weeks and we now are about to take them off, and I just wanted to share how I get them to last. So let's go on and let's
So
do
first, I
my new
want
set.
to remove my current set, and I do that by using this little tool. I think they used to use it back in the day for like designs on your nails. But I take it and I stick it underneath the nail and start to lift up the little sticky tab that is on there. It you can it looks like I'm forcing it, but it's really not. It's just really trying to lift that glue off or that tab off. Once I get the nail off, I just kind of scrape the glue. Literally scraping the glue, not my nail, right now. And then I just keep going until it all kind of comes off in a ball. And you'll see here. There you go. See? All right. And then go on to the next one. All right, next up, I use acetone or nail polish remover to remove the rest of the glue that's stuck on there. And as you can see, it turned black because, of course, my pad is black back there. But you can see what glue was left. And then I just take my finger and scrape the rest of it off. You'll also see me get a cotton pad right there and dip it in there to just kind of remove the excess little sticky pad. And literally, it comes off so easily. This next step is just taking a nail file and buffing my nail down just a little bit. This will also make sure you get rid of any excess glue or gunk that is on your nails, and also helps to get your nail as like eliminate any ridges, because ridges of course will prevent the nails from sticking properly. And this is what we end up with. See, no damage to the nails at all, which is what I love about these press-ons. The next step that I do is to clean up my cuticles using this little cuticle cutter. I don't remember the exact name, but the little cuticle cutter, just to clean up my cuticles. I don't push them like push push the cuticle back any more than it already is. It's just really making sure I get rid of any noticeably dead skin around my nails and cuticles. And we're finished. All clean. All right, now it is on to installing the nails. Again, I'm using the Kiss Impress press-on nails. They are glueless. In the package comes a orange stick like this. It allows you to push your cuticles back just a little bit, because with the nails, especially the longer ones, you want to put them as far under almost your cuticles as you can go. And that just helps, from getting any water or anything inside of them, and also helps them to last a little bit longer. The next step is to use their emery board that comes with it. I just use this. It's not like harming my nail or whatever, so I just kind of lightly use it to, again, just buff out my nails a little bit more. And then I use the alcohol pad that comes in it as well to get all of the dirt and grime off. I do not wash my nails because I don't want my nails to be wet when I put these on. Even I feel like even if you wash your nails, or I'm sorry, even if you dry them, they still are a little like damp, and I don't want them to be that way at all. Because again, we're not using glue, we're using like a sticky pad. I want them to stick as best as I can. The next step is to map out which nails are going to fit. I do sometimes have to cut or trim nails to make sure that they fit, but these are the small and they fit pretty well for my nail size. So I'm just mapping them and then I set them out. So once get to the process of where I'm just taking the tabs out, it'll go really quickly and seamlessly. All right, and now we are pulling the tabs and starting to place the nail on. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is the easiest thing you can do to get nails for 2 weeks. Like, you press and you take the tab off, you press and you hold, and the way that the tab, it'll actually show you on the box, but the tab goes down, faces downward. Anyways, you'll see that on the box if you ever purchase them. But yeah, you put the nail on, you press and hold for a bit. They also tell you not to get your nails wet for a couple of hours to also help the glue tabs that are on the nails stick. So yeah, I'm just going through and placing all of the nails on. This portion of the video where I'm taking off my O set and then down to the finished results of these was 39 minutes long. And that was me taking phone calls, taking breaks and everything. So this is so easy, y'all. And here we are at the very last nail, pressing and holding. And the results, super cute, super quick and cheap, like under $10 for this set. Like, yeah.
Pretty cute, right? The last step, and I'm just gonna talk through this. Usually I will make sure my nails match up with these. So like for instance, this nail is kind of shorter. So I'll just like take a file and just make sure that they're flush. My nail and the press-on nail is flush. And that's pretty much all I do. Keeping them short helps them stay on longer. I can attest to that. And then just like I said, making sure that they're as flush as they can be if the nails are the same length. So yeah, that's it. Done. All right, y'all. That's how I do my Impress press-on nails. Let me know if you have any questions below, and I will chat with y'all later. Bye.